Welcome back guys to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own mod menu, but this is the part 2 version. So if you have not watched part 1 yet, you should go and watch it. You should go watch it, otherwise you can't follow on with this. And if you need any help, go to join my Discord in my bio, and then scroll down until you find making mod menus. And then in the forums, make mod menu help. Just create one, and then I'll try and help you if anything goes wrong or anything. Alright, let's get into it. So you want to open up the folder that I told you to put onto your desktop, so it would be easier to find. You want to open it up, scroll down until you find stupidtemplate.sin. Open that up. Wait for everything to load. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to code a couple more mods, a couple new mods, and also how to change the background color of your menu, and how to make categories. Alright, so the first mod we're going to be making is fly. So you wanna right click on mods, click add, click new item, and then do fly. Alright, then you're gonna do public static void fly mod, and then put brackets, space off of that, do curly brackets, and then click enter. Alright, so that's the basic outline of all mods. So yeah, alright, so first bit of coding we're gonna do is we're gonna do if, and then we're gonna do one of these brackets, and we're gonna do controller input polar dot instance dot right controller primary button. Then you're gonna space here, and then put brackets, and then click enter there. Alright, so then next what you're gonna do is this is a long bit of code. Alright, so buckle in. So we're gonna do gorilla locomotion dot player dot instance dot transform dot position, and then put a plus and then an equals, and then put gorilla locomotion player dot instance dot head collider dot transform dot forward, and then put an asterisk. I'm gonna go a bit long. Put asterisk, then put time, enter, time dot delta time, then space, then do an asterisk, then put 15 F, and then a semicolon, and then so save, and then you want to click enter, go back to the beginning, and then what you're going to do is do gorilla locomotion dot player dot instance dot get component, and then put these arrows thingy, and then put rigid body, and then here put brackets, and then put dot velocity, then put equals vector 3 dot 0 and then put a semicolon. Ta-da! You just coded your fly mod. So basically, whenever you hit, oh, let me real quick grab my controller. I'll be back. Alright, we're back. Whenever you click A on your right controller, you'll start flying. Alright. Alright, so that's it. That's that. Save all, and then the next spot I'm gonna show you is long arms. So you wanna click right click mods, add new item, then put long arms, enter, and then you're gonna click here and then put public static void, and then put long arms mod, and then put curly brackets. Put here to put the these curly brackets, and then click enter. Alright, what you're gonna do is then you're gonna put gorilla locomotion dot player dot instance dot transform dot local scale, and you can put equals, and then click and then put new Unity engine dot vector 3, put a brackets like that, and then you want to put 1.2f comma 1.2f comma 1.2, and then f, and then you want to put a and then you want to put a semicolon. Alright, and then that's long arms then, and then this is like, if you put it on, it'll stay like that. So then you just want to click add, and then you want to click new items, and you want to click, then you'll put reset arms, and you want to do same as last time, public static void reset arms mod, and put these, put space here, and then put a curly bracket, and then click enter. And then basically what you can do is you can just go to long arms, and then just copy this, paste it in here, and change all of these to zeros. Alright, then click save all, make sure everything's green, and then now to implement these mods, you want to go to buttons, and you want to highlight, actually no, you know what would probably be better if I show you how to make categories. So first off, what you should do is you probably should just highlight all of this stuff like here, and then click just backspace everything. Alright, so first off, what you're going to do is you're going to go to, under mods, you're going to click settings, go up until you find the one where it says, the thing where it says button type equals 4. Should be projectile settings. You're going to highlight that, copy that, then click, and then go to the bottom curly bracket, click enter 2 times, and then paste it in there. And then you want to change this to 5, change the button type to 5, and then what I do is I just pop category 1 settings like that, and then you want to save. And then once you've done that, so every single time you make a new category, you want to copy this and then do the exact same thing. Like, I'm going to make some average ones, so I'm just going to make like 3, for instance. Click enter, like that. And then I'm going to change this to 2, and I'm going to change this to 6, and then so on and so forth. and you keep doing that for the more categories you want, the more you do this. Alright, so then you just save all of that, and then you want to go to buttons, and then you want to copy the first line where it says new button info settings, this top line that I'm copying right here. Copy that, go to this one here, click this, and then what you want to do is change this to, I'm going to put just, I'm going to put it as movement mod. And then you want to change this here to category 1 settings, and then you that's how you link it from here to here. And then so every single category must have a different one of these, and must have like a different one of these, like here. Then what you want to do is then you want to go scroll down and then just copy this first code bit here, like that. And then what you want to do is you want to click to where it's a curly bracket and a comma, click enter, and then enter again, and then paste that exact thing in there. And then you want to, instead of having this up top, you want to go back up to where it says button info / settings. You want to go to here, you can copy that, and then you want to change this here and then paste that in, like that. Alright, then what you do is you paste all your mods in there. So what you do you just go back to my my thing, and you go to code copies, and you just copy that, like that. And then you basically just go to the end here, click enter, and then paste it in there, like that. And then change this to, like, for instance, speed boost, because I haven't got that at the moment.
Let's go.
So whatever you put here, whatever you put at the start of it, you would put there, as I said in part 1. I'm just doing all this, I'll probably speed it up. Alright, done. So I've just popped in all these here into these things. Well, what you can do also to keep your stuff organized, you can also change this to like movement, which is what I named mine. You can name it whatever you want. Alright, so now I'm gonna show you how to change the background color of your mod menu. Now this is quite easy. You just gotta go up here, you wanna click settings here. And you want to go into my Discord. Again, go to code copies and just copy this. Control C, copy that. And then you see where up here it says new X gradient is rainbow and all that stuff. You just want to paste in the code up here. You want to just paste it in there like that. Then right here is where you put in the code. Put in the color you want. So I'm gonna make it like blue. Stuff like that. Yeah. I'll put it as that. And then also to change the colors of the buttons, you want to go to here. So this is what you want to have the color as when it's not toggled, when it's untoggled. So I'm gonna put that as like red. And then I can then also, you just paste in my code right here as well. Paste in there like that. And then you just change just paste in there. I don't know what happened there. That's not good. Oh, I'm not doing very well right now. Maybe don't do that. I'm dumb. Alright, well, basically you can change the color here on whatever it is. But yeah, so, and that's how you change the background color and everything. So just save all of that, and then you go to build and you click build solution. Wait for that. Also, if you want to change what it's named as the DLL, so like in plugins, if you want to change what it says there, see it says supertemplate.dll. If you want to change that, you want to just actually what you can do is you just you change this one up here, right here. You go back to plugins, you delete that, and then you go back to Visual Studio and you click rebuild solution, and then see it should be in there, top menu, like that. Well, it'll be called whatever you call it, like that. So yeah, well, thank you for watching this far. If you have, comment a baguette emoji, so I know that you watched this far. And if this video gets 10 likes, I'll show you how to code some more mods that you put in the description. Not in the description, in the comments. Put in the comments what codes, what mods I should show you how to code next in this series. And then I guess with that, I'm out.